Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and you are watching my video. Guys, in this video I am discussing for you tiny home decorating ideas, tips and decor ideas. So guys, I hope you are all fine and best condition for health. So guys, first of all, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Keep watching my video at the end, then I start video. Guys, in this video I am sharing for you different and unique and stylish home decor ideas. So guys, in this video you can see and you can enjoy my video. Let's start. So guys, different colors of combinations and different style, different luxurious furniture you can use for your home. First of all, you can select lighting furniture colors and wall colors are unique with matching with your furnitures for your tiny home decor. Tiny home decor is a small space for your home. All home is so small spaces, so you can decor for all home and all decor. So guys, different unique colors you can use and also greenery for also your home. Unique and stylish vibe. Different you can decor your home for your living room, and you can also decor for your bedroom. So first of all, you can choose a light. You can choose a lightning for a light furniture, and a different light color you can choose for your home. It's look like a luxurious and stylish vibe for your home. So guys, I am requesting for you, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Unique style and unique look. It's look like a good and amazing vibe. Wow, amazing impression for your home. Greenery and charming. Green colors are so a good vibe for your home, and you can choose a light wall painting colors, and your kitchen accessories are too short. In this video you can. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy for this small tiny home decorating ideas for you. Different look and different style for you. It's look like a good vibe and good impression for you. Unique look and unique style. Different luxurious impressions. Different tiny home decorating ideas you can see. First of all, guys, I am requesting for you, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Thank you so much guys, you watch my video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much.